very few people know about the rank function. Even fewer use it in practice. This is all the more reason to understand what it does and how it serves you in practice. It is more than likely that you will face a situation where you will have to rank a company's clients, suppliers, employees, or water suppliers in a list based on specific criteria. For example, if you are ranking clients, you might want to understand which client account drove the highest gross profit or revenues. If you are ranking suppliers, you might want to find out which supplier invoiced the highest amount, and so on and so forth. Some people would do such a comparison by using custom sort and sorting according to a specific column. But that's far from ideal because it requires you to change your source data and takes away some of the flexibility that formulas could give you. This is where rank function comes into play. It works in a very straightforward manner. Its first argument is the number to be ranked. In our case, this is the first number in this range of cells. Then the second argument simply consists in the range of cells to be ranked with respect to. I'll fix the range references, as I will paste the function downwards in a moment. Okay, perfect. What Excel will do in this situation is go ahead and compare the number we have selected as our first argument with respect to the rest of the numbers in the range of cells chosen as a second argument. Simple as that. And here's the result. If I copy and paste the function downwards, I'll obtain the rank of each of the cells within the indicated range. What's even neater is that we can then use a VLOOKUP function to transfer this ranking to a different sheet, and all of this would remain dynamic. Here's a sheet where we have a list of our top 10 client accounts for the latest month. Next month, if the top 10 customers change, the ranking in the source sheet would change as well, and the list reported here would update automatically. Quite nice, right?